A team of Utah scientists have received a grant to design and test a real-time air pollution warning system for schools and other places where cars idle.
Yeah, they hope it'll encourage people to shut off their cars. This news specialist Jed Bowles shows us they plan to build an air pollution display system very similar to the speed limit displays that we see in our neighborhoods.
A chemical engineer from the University of Utah and a psychologist from Utah State came up with the concept. They believe that this idea could help limit pollution from our tailpipes, especially around schools and hospitals.
For the last 5 to 10 years, I've really been interested in our air quality challenges.
Carrie Kelly, a chemical engineering assistant professor at the University of Utah, is working to find new ways to share pollution data with everyone who needs it. Right now, she's focused on congregations of cars, pumping out pollution at places like schools, hospitals, and airports.
These are all places where you'll have a number of idling vehicles. This is particularly important for children, so they're a lot shorter, so they're much closer to the elevation of a tailpipe.
Studies show real-time speed limit displays are effective at urging drivers to slow down. Kelly wondered whether something like that could help limit air pollution. The idea arose while talking with a professor at Utah State who studies behavioral change. He tipped Kelly off on the effectiveness of the speed limit signs.
And we thought about how we might do that with air quality.
Her team plans to integrate air quality measurements and thermal camera imaging with dynamic messaging to encourage good behavior when it comes to idling. In other words, they want to put real-time air quality numbers on an LED sign to encourage us to shut off our cars when we should.
So I think it's a really good project for us and for our community, because as we work towards further improving our air quality, a lot of what's going to happen is going to be choices that we make as individuals and together as a community.
The project is funded by a $1.2 million grant from the National Science Foundation. They expect to begin testing the system in schools and hospitals sometime next year. I'm Jed Bowles for KSL 5 News.
Jed, thanks so much.